Today we are going to the next topic for class 12, that is genetic disorders, types of, which is in our course. So I am writing genetic disorders for class 12. In our course there are two types of genetic disorder. Genetic disorder due to chromosomal aberration, ABERRAPIOM. And second, genetic disorder due to the defect in the gene. Now today I am taking the first type, genetic disorder due to the chromosomal aberration, and explain its type. So now being the second type, because today we deal only with the first type. So I am writing chromosomal aberration. That is chromosomal abnormalities. This is again divided into two subcategories. First is numerical chromosomal aberration. Second is the change in the structure of chromosome. Taking one more chalk. In the structure of chromosome due to a rearrangement of segments. Two types, numerical chromosomal aberration and change in the structure of chromosome due to the rearrangement of the chromosomal segment. Now, moving to the first. So, reading this. Numerical means this abnormality is related to the number of the chromosome. Numerical aberration. And this type is called as nuclear. Now, for the normal setup in the human being, the standard is 23 pairs of chromosomes. In 23, 22 are autosomes, means chromosomatic cell. And one pair is sex chromosome. So it becomes 44, 45, 46. 46 normal in male. In female, 44 plus XXY. 46 number in female. So this is the standard. Any number excess of chromosome or deficiency of chromosome disturbed from the normal standard, right, and causes a condition nuclearity. Where addition of 1 means from 46 it becomes 47. Trisomy. For example, which we studied in our course, Down syndrome. It is a trisomy of chromosome number 21. Other example, trisomy Edward disease. It is a trisomy of the chromosome number 18. So these are the examples of excess. One condition when there is a deficiency. Instead of 46, chromosome number is 45. It is called monosome. And this chromosomal numerical aberration occur by meiosis as well as by mitosis. And why the main reason is that the chromosome, there is a non-disjunction of the pair of the chromosomes. Non-disjunction means the chromosome doesn't able to separate properly. right? So that they pass to the gamete as such. So when they pass through the gamete and such a number of haploid will move, and this gamete which has this complete pair of the chromosome, when fertilized with the sperm, it gives rise to the condition in which the embryo has trisomy condition. This is due to the non-disjunction of the chromosome, numerical aberration. Now, coming to the example of chromosomal abnormalities due to the structure or rearrangement of the chromosomes. So, I am rubbing this and take out this one, structure or rearrangement. In this, the condition are division, addition. In addition, one of the chromosomal segment is added to the, for example, chromosomal number 9. When segment chromosome, one segment is added to the particular chromosome, so here the number of gene pair increases from the normal. So it is genetic disorder, chromosomal structure disorder, deletion. Just opposite. One of the chromosomal segment is lost from a particular chromosome. So by losing one of the segment when lost, there is a loss of genetic character, loss of gene pair. So there is a defect. Other is translocation. In case of translocation, what happens? One of the segment of the chromosome moves and added to the other chromosome. For example, there are number of chromosomes, one of the chromosomes from the segment number 3 rearranged to the chromosome number 10. So here deletion, here addition, structural rearrangement, which causes again the disorder. Now we are moving to the example of our course, Down syndrome. So I am rubbing and going to the Down syndrome. It is autosomal disorder. Why autosomal? Because it's a defect of the chromosome number 21. Down syndrome. Syndrome is a condition when there is a collection of disease. Symptom appears. So it is called syndrome. Not one symptom, very symptom. Syndrome. And it is discovered by scientist Langdon Down in the year 1866. And it is also called as Langdonian idiopathy, IDIOCY, or trisomy of chromosomal number 21, Down syndrome. Same thing in this type of disorder, autosomal disorder, the chromosomal number 21 undergo non-disjunction, fail to separate properly or completely. So they pass as such in the gamete. And when it is fertilized, the embryo is in the form of Down syndrome. One of the reasons is that we study the process of oogenesis. That oogenesis is started in the fetal development, right? Not spermatogenesis, but oogenesis. So the germinal epithelium cell multiply and form egg mother cell or oogonia. This oogonia undergo multiplication phase, first phase. And this first meiotic phase first is suspended after birth till the girl reach the reproductive cycle, then it becomes continued. And this process of suspension, because it takes long year, may lead to the abnormal condition that is called non-disjunction of the chromosome. Here our example is Down syndrome, non-disjunction of chromosome number 21, and it is called mongoloid. The symptoms are, because it is syndrome, the person suffering from this having round face, mouth permanently open, and the tongue moves out, protrude outside. So this face, this opening of mouth, this coming of the tongue creates pressure on the eyes, so that the eyelid becomes this shape. mongoloid like. So it is called Mongolism idiopathy. And the person suffering from this has low IQ, low intelligence quotient. That is the reason why it is called Mongolian or Down syndrome. This is autosomal and it is not inherited. But one of the example of Down syndrome, which is called as familial Down syndrome, it is inherited. So it is called familial. Why it is inherited? There is a difference between germinal type or this type. So I bring this to explain. This Down syndrome is a result due to the trisomy of 21 chromosome, excess of chromosome, which is not inherited. This familial Down syndrome is due to the translocation, structure change, translocation of chromosomes. One part of the segment of the chromosome moved to the other part. And this is familial Down syndrome. It is inherited. First condition is trisomy. It is translocation, change in the structure of the chromosome. It is inherited. And Down syndrome is more in the female as it increase in the advanced age. As the age increase, we know the reproductive cycle goes down, DNA synthesis goes down, power of meiosis decreases. So there is more chance of having the non-disjunction chromosome movement. So it is Down syndrome. So this complete the Down syndrome. Any question?
No, ma'am.
No question? So thanks. On the next turn, move to the next part of the class 12 lecture. Okay.